What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MRNA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news that might impact the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my detailed analysis and detailed roadmap about the price action of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and we were right above the 55 exponential moving average. And I've told you that we found it as a perfect support line, but my main assumption was that we have to hit lower targets, and basically we did it. As you can see, we hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. It is the level from the very bottom to the very top, and we have these 5 waves as one wave on a greater scale. This means we can measure it from very bottom to the top. And right here, as you can see, we have a very good confluence level with the top of our third wave at the end of July. And we bounce back from it. And for now, we are almost exactly at the same level that we were previously, 3 to 4 days ago. And we have to have some action in order to establish new short-term uptrend or downtrend. And in my opinion, we still have more possibilities to go lower. Despite of recent spike of the volume right here and this movement to the upside, we have more chances to go lower. And let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Moderna is a biotechnology company, develops therapeutics and vaccines based on messenger RNA for the treatment of infectious diseases, immuno-oncology, rare diseases, cardiovascular diseases and autoimmune diseases. And for now, their main product that is on the market right now is the vaccine against COVID-19. And let me show you their numbers. For now, their total market cap is $162.21 billion. They have a revenue of slightly above $7 billion with a net income of $3.49 billion. They have mind-blowing revenue growth of 6,515.77%. And that's why they have very good total cash position and they almost have zero debt compared to their cash position. They have a little bit less than $7 billion and their total debt is slightly above $600 million. So, from the financial standpoint, no doubts this company is extremely stable, but we have some news that might affect the price of this company in the long term. So, first of all, let me show you the entire news, the entire list of news that we have on Seeking Alpha. And right here I want to show you just several of them. First of all, positive news that on August 17th, Moderna COVID-19 vaccine authorized in UK for adolescents. It is very good news because for now more and more people already get vaccinated, and it is not so big a number of people who didn't make their at least first dose of vaccine. This means in my opinion, on Q3 2021, we won't see these amazing results that we had previously, and that's why we might have some pullback in the price of their stock. But we have also rather good news. Let me show you right here. On August 18th, we have this article, US to offer Pfizer Moderna COVID-19 booster shots to all Americans beginning September 20th. And let me quote you these bullets. The Biden administration is preparing to offer a third COVID-19 shot from vaccine developers Pfizer, BioNTech and Moderna starting September 20th. The available data make very clear that protection against SARS-CoV-2 infection begins to decrease over time following the initial doses of vaccination. And in association with the dominance of the Delta variant, we are starting to see evidence of reduced protection against mild and moderate disease. The statement read, "The plan calls for all Americans who received Pfizer and Moderna to obtain third shot 8 months after their second dose. A booster dose is likely needed for those who received the single dose shot from Johnson & Johnson, but the plan will be announced later as relevant data are still under review according to officials. The US government has reportedly acquired 1 billion total doses of Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. So, as you can see, they already acquired these doses, and that's why we already have these doses sold, and we have to see these numbers in their earnings report, and in my opinion it might be this quarter, third quarter I mean. And right after that we will definitely see some decline in their sales if they want to find some new markets for their vaccine. And let me show you the rate of vaccination. In the United States we have 51.5% fully vaccinated people. And let me show you that 60.6% has at least one dose. This means we have less and less people without vaccination who can have this vaccine in nearest future. This means eventually we will see decline in sales of these vaccines if this company won't find some new markets. And let me show you this article. We are on full.com, and this article was published on August 16th, and it says 3 high-flying stocks that may fall 53 to 84% according to Wall Street. And let me show you numbers about Moderna. Moderna implied downside of 53%. And let me show you that the price target according to this data is $184.92. And the reason Moderna has ascended to the heavens is success of its emergency use authorization coronavirus disease 2019. And they have a rather good efficiency, but for now, let me show you. Ultimately, Moderna's skyrocketing share price appears to indicate that things could worsen before they get better on the COVID-19 front, and that booster shots will offer a briefer stream of revenue than once predicted. So, in my opinion, this company has to have a pullback, and this pullback should be quite massive in order to have more steam to break the all-time high. And let me show you the TPRank's forecast, and as you can see, they have a highest price for this stock at the level of $463 and lowest at $85. So the average is $291. And basically I think for now we might continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So if we will measure the highest price of $463 from our current price, we have about 16 to 17% of potential profits from our current price. But if we measure the down movement to the lowest price points of $85, we have about 78% of potential losses. And this risk to reward ratio is not so good for the bulls, it is excellent for bears. And let me show you on a daily time frame. And on the indicator we are pretty much neutral. This means we might have one more leg to the upside, and I don't see this leg to be quite massive, because right here on their latest run they don't have much green volume, and the red volume is a little bit higher than the green one. This means we have more sellers right here from the very top, from $498, and this means we have more steam from bears. Let me show you weekly time frame, and as you can see we still have very high RSI, and the level is 80.18, and we have to unload this RSI. And let me show you right here that we formed this candle, and this candle is a shooting star, and this candle usually a trend reversal candle. This means from this point we have more chances to go even lower. And as you can see, this candle has a rather good volume compared to green ones. This means this candle is very powerful. And let's continue with the monthly time frame. And we are even higher with RSI of 84.41, and we are also forming the same candle. It is a shooting star, but we still have around 12 days to form this candle. And if this candle will be at this shape as we have it right now, or if we will go lower and close the candle below the level of $359.32, This means this candle becomes red, and this means it will be more powerful and it will be more bearish. And on top of that, let me show you that we still have 12 days left to form the candle, but the volume right here is almost the same that we had previously. This means this volume definitely will be higher than previous one, and this means this candle will be more powerful than previous one. So if you want to invest in this company for the long term, it is the worst point where you can add your position with this company. And let's continue with 4 hours time frame. And right here, let me show you this breakdown. I'm still stand on my position that we have to have this formation, and we have to have some pullback to the upside, potentially to finish our B wave, and we might have the bottom of our A wave right here, or maybe right here, and B wave might be somewhere at these points at around $440, but then eventually we will go lower. And we have to hit at least this level, this golden pocket, in order to have some reaction, and potentially we might have some bounce from these levels. But when we hit it, and if we hit this level, if my forecast is correct, from this point I will do another update in order to make some assumptions what should we expect next from this company. So from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. I just want to encourage you to be extremely cautious with the long position with this company. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!